Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at this new tool, CK9, which is supposed to help you in removing the lens and the lens frame on the iPhones. So we'll do a quick unboxing and demonstration of how it works. Let's get started. Today we're going to take a look at the CK9. Let's take this apart and look at what's inside. Alright, it comes with the main body, and then we've got A, B, C, and D, or yes, A, B, D, and D. And then inside this, we've got a couple different size dies, depending on the model that we're going to be working on. So let's see how this works. Alright, so this rod here screws right into the back, giving us something to hold on to a little bit better. Alright, so here I've got a camera lens that let's run this test on. It's cracked. I'm going to take the insert, stick it in here. We'll need to lift this up quite a ways, and then we can stick in the frame, find the corresponding punch, and then we will wind this on down, twist nice and gently. You can kind of feel it shear away. And then it popped. Let's take that apart, and it has popped it out. I think the coolest part about this tool is the ability now to replace the bezel, the border that goes around this, because they get dinged up a lot of the times when the glass cracks. And one of my concerns, obviously, when I first saw this tool, was wondering if it was going to crack the back glass in the process. But nope. No issues with the back glass at all. Let's try the second lens here real quick. Alright, so we're going to go down from the B to the A for this one. Slightly different. Stick it in there, raise this back up, and then we'll line that up and slowly put it on down. Alright, and then we'll twist gently. Oh, and that popped really easily. Let's see what it pops. So let's twist that back up. Did it pop just the lens out? That it did. Look at that, the lens came out 2 pieces, but it was a clean, well, that was clean. So much easier than trying to pick at it. Let's see if we keep going with that, if it actually pops out to the frame as well. So we'll put it back in. As you can see, it's a step down. This first one popped out the lens, the second one is going to pop out the frame. We'll stick that back in, twist it on down, and then we'll give it a twist, and let's see if it pops out the frame without cracking glass. You can feel it pop away. Loosen that up, and it popped it away as well. Now it did take with it a little bit of the frame, just a teeny piece of it, so I'm sure with some adjustments it'll be a little bit smoother. But I do like how quickly and easily it popped out the glass. I'm not sure why it came with 2 Ds. I'm pretty sure it was supposed to come with a C, but it's quite a nifty little tool. Alright, so fun little tool. It did what I thought it was going to do. It popped out the lens frame, and my expectations were actually right spot on, because I thought it was going to act the way that it did. It definitely made it really simple to pop out the lens. And if you are one to go the extra mile and replace the frame by tack welding a new frame on so that you get a really clean look on the back glass, this is definitely a tool for you. I've had enough questions about how to replace the camera lens on the back with the frame that I thought I'd show a video on it. A lot of people will just simply glue them in place like that, but there is an easier way if you have the right tools. Let me show you how I do that. And this is what you need. You need to get yourself a tack welder with the leads there that'll allow you to tack it in place and get a nice mechanical bond instead of trying to glue it in place. Alright, you can see the lens still wants to move around on the inside there. That's totally fine. You just need to find center, and once you found center, you just give it a nice push down and you can tack it in place. Nice and centered. You can see I've got those 2 tacks already. I'm just going to continue to do that around the border, and then we'll be good to go. Place 1 lead here and the other lead there, like that. 1 lead here, 1 lead here. And there we go. There we go. Nice, solid, flush. No glue, no chance of it just falling out. It's on there nice and solid.
If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If there's a tool that you'd like to see demoed in a future video, let me know as well. Thanks for watching this quick video. Like it if you found it useful. We'll see you in the next video.